Where are you headed?
Brazil. I can't wait to travel the world. There's so much to explore and so much to learn. I want to go on an African safari.
I'm the African elephant. I live as long as 70 years.
I'll travel and explore the whole world. I'll take my family and friends wherever I go, whenever I feel like it.
That's so cool.
I want to visit the Eiffel Tower, travel through provinces, open up a jet engine, learn origami, taste the best sushi, and fill up my passport. Gotta go, time to pack my bags again.